So, the Nintendo Entertainment System broke, and I opened it up and tried to figure out what was wrong with it. I tried to play Super Mario Bros. 2 for the Nintendo Entertainment System, and nothing happened. It gave me a pink screen on and off. So I opened it up, looked inside, and fixed it. So, here's Mario Brothers. Here's the controller for the Nintendo. Got a 4-way button pad. Select and start, and A and B. And I'll just press start on Super Mario Brothers. And one player. And it's the classic Mario game. I just died. So, put on pause, and I will put the camera down so I can actually concentrate. Where do I put the camera? Oh, I just stepped on the mushroom. Now I'm gonna go over and get that mushroom, and it'll make me bigger. This is basic Super Mario Brothers for the Nintendo Entertainment System. Copyright 1985 of Nintendo Incorporated. Okay, so I'm done with Mario. I'll put in Super Mario Brothers 2. Turn that off. Eject the cartridge. Put in the cartridge. Push down. Back to being broken again. Okay. I'm gonna figure out what's wrong. One problem could be that dust particles have gotten into the reader cartridges over there. Kind of like a piano, because everything flips down into those metal pins that you can see down there. And then those got to match up with the pins inside of the cartridge. Cartridge has no moving parts, completely flash memory. And we almost got something. Almost. Almost. And we got sort of a different screen. It's got streaks in it, but with "25 years old." Lucky it's still working. See if I can get those streaks out of the way. You know, with the Xbox, all you do is put in the disc and it just works. Back to being completely broken. Blow out all the dust. And it's flashing. Okay, so we got a clear screen. And it's fixed! That took about 3 minutes. But you know, the gameplay is worth it, so I'll be Peach. Why am I being Peach on the video? She jumps good. So I'll pick Peach. And I get dropped into Mario World. It's pretty cool. And I'll just, if you can see it, I will press the top button and I will enter the doorway. Jump. See? See? She holds her jump. Now I got smaller. So, those are the rounds of the Nintendo Entertainment System of 1985.